Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. Today we just been hanging out around the house, and now it's about sunset, I guess, is it? Sunset is about to happen. It's about 5:30 p.m.
Yeah, the sun is already.
Sun is setting, yeah. And we are in Clark.
I don't know what the park names, like
I think
BCG
BCG Bicentennial Park, I think it's called. And the reason I like to go here is to get away from the city life. Here you have literally no traffic. We'll turn it around and you can see the area around here. There is so I guess this is part of where they had the SEA Games, right?
Yeah, you see
Yeah, you see some of that down there. All right, yeah. So the sun is setting right behind us there, between the houses there. You can probably see the sun going down, and we are up in an area where it's called Corporate Center, Clark.
Yeah.
So we can continue going this way.
Let's go walking, exercise.
Yeah. I like to come out, and the reason, like I said, is you have absolutely no traffic to speak of here compared to all the stressy traffic down in Angeles and Mabalacat. It was terrible today when we tried to get out of there. Yeah, up here somewhere. Where did they have the caribou? Yeah, it was up here somewhere, right?
Yeah, I think it's on the side. The side or
I don't know. It's a giant caribou statue, so we're gonna go and see. And behind the trees there, they have some more stuff going on. There's a crane up there, so there is more construction going on here. Man, Clark is like getting really busy with everything.
wow. I heard the wow.
What is that? Is that oh, maybe it's in the playground for children on the other side there.
Yeah, there's some there's a fountain.
Yeah.
Barn house.
The barn house.
Barn house. Or maybe the carabao statue is on the other.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see if we find it. But over there you have remnants from the SEA Games. The little orange box over there. It's like
See, there's a park.
yeah.
Sliding on the side.
It's pretty nice. Pretty nice park. So what's going on up this way?
Huh?
What's going on? Yeah, but we can go over and walk on the other side. Let's do that. All right. We were talking about this.
Carabao statue.
Yeah. And Carabao is a national animal of the Philippines. It is kind of a water buffalo, I would say.
Yeah, it's a water buffalo.
Yeah.
You know here in the Philippines,
They're probably,
here in the Philippines, Carabao is very, very helpful, especially on farmers. If you have a,
yeah,
if you are a farmer,
yeah,
it helps you every day.
yeah. Anyway, this statue, it's located down here at the other end of the field. And it's just outside the post office. So we thought we would give it to you. Alright, so we're hanging around here, this little kids park. And just trying to figure out where to go next. But it's really peaceful.
Yeah, the fountain. Look at the
Yeah.
fountain.
Mesmerizing. You can stand there and look at it for a while.
Just like I wanna go there and take a shower
Yeah.
and play.
I wouldn't mind. It is, even though sun is going down, it's still pretty hot.
Yeah.
So we can do that. I see kids do that a lot of time around SM Mall.
Yeah, there is a fountain.
There's a fountain there, and I see kids playing in there sometimes.
Yeah.
So anyway, this is a children's park apparently on the other side of the field. All right, we took a few minutes, sit down and rest a little bit. I've been having issues with my foot, and I think I said that before in the video too. And it still bothers me when I walk too much. So I just have to take a little break, and we're going to start heading over to the other side here. The other side, I think they call it the Clark Parade Grounds. There is some soccer field, I would say no, not volleyball, but what do you call it, rugby? I saw some, yeah, football. Recreational area, and around here there is a lot of restaurants. It's the old Korean barbecue. What else do we got? I think there is a medical center up here, Lady of Mount Carmel Medical Center. What do we got here?
Yeah, there is also a Clark Museum for the theater.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What do we got here, though?
Yeah, this
The
is
stuff
like
here to the side are remnants from the
SEA Games.
SEA Games, maybe.
Yeah. But I saw some other. There is some business inside in this part.
Oh, okay. All right.
So, yeah, that's why you
That's cool. All right, so let's stroll on. Up there to the right, in front of the sun, you guys see the sun setting. It's a giant.
I saw the giant Christmas tree.
Right. It's like a white giant Christmas tree. Anyway, up here they have what they call the 4D theater and museum. And from what I understand, I haven't been in there, they have a lot of collection of historical stuff, heritage, culture, and other thing. If that's of your interest, maybe you take a visit at the 4D Theater and Museum. Also up around here is, what's the name of the park again?
CDC.
No, Stotzenberg.
Stotzenberg.
Park. Yeah. All right. So around here also, do you have something called Acacia
Park.
CDC at straight down this way you're looking. You have CDC, Clark Development Corporation for Tourism. That's a tourism office. If you're gonna go and visit
The Handheld
the haunted hospital, that's where we need to go, right?
Yeah.
And get permits,
Yeah.
because they do require permits. Let's see here. Can we cross here somewhere?
Yeah, we can.
We'll find an opening at the gate here and then we'll go. Oh yeah, here we go. So we're gonna head over to the other side. Over there by the other park, there's something called London Pub. I'm assuming that's a pub, a Cafe Mesa.
Yeah, there's a lot of business.
Yeah, yachts, restaurant and wine bar, you know, there's some other small businesses around here too.
Yeah.
They have something called the White House. I don't know. Can't be in Washington, right?
No.
That's a joke, but let's go. All right, so the Clark Parade Grounds is located alongside Ninoy Aquino Avenue, right?
Yeah, and then also Aguinaldo.
Yeah, Aguinaldo. That's a little road that we just crossed. But the Ninoy Aquino is...
Is it the main road?
that's the main road in there.
Ah.
Yeah. And you can get there pretty easy. All right, down there, kids are playing soccer. Beautiful evening, sun is going down.
Yeah, I saw some foreigner couple walking in this park also.
Yeah, it's really nice here, guys, because you have no traffic, no exhaust, no smelly trikes, no smelly jeepneys, everything.
No farting.
What? What?
I said no farting each other.
Well, I don't know. Okay, guys, my foot is hurting. We're gonna start wrapping this one out and got to get on my bike and take off home. Thanks for watching. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.